Screen Recorder allows you to make a screen recording video easily, without having to download any external applications. To begin, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Swipe down again to fully expand the panel. From the Quick panel, select Screen Recorder. From here you can choose your preferred sound settings. If you want to show your taps and touches, you can enable the option. Then tap on Start Recording. After a 3 seconds countdown, your recording will start. At the top of the screen, you will see the Screen Recorder toolbar with various options. When you're ready to stop the video, simply tap the stop icon button. The screen record will be stopped and will be saved on your gallery. Go to your gallery and check. You will then be able to view all saved screen recordings on your Galaxy phone. So in this way, you can record your phone screen on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra.